Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Liz from the Friday Night Funkin Mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Start off by drawing the shape of the face like this. Let's draw the eyes next. On the right side, draw an upside down U curve. Then add a long black oval under on the right. And then add 2 curved eyelashes on the top right. Let's do the same thing for the left eye here, but make this eye a bit bigger. Next, add a curve under the left eye for the mouth. Let's draw the hair next. Draw 2 curves on the left here, like an upside down heart shape that's open at the top. Then add a small line in between the curves to continue the face shape behind it. Next, above, draw a curve across and into the face. Then add a small V shape above. Now continue the curve across through the right eye and past the face. Then add a curve above at the end. Let's draw the ear next. On the left, draw 2 diagonal lines out with the bottom one being shorter. Then connect them at the end. Now inside, draw a pointed hook line. Now hop to the right side and draw a curve out. Then move back to the left and draw a curve up, over to the right, and then curving it back down to meet the line we drew earlier. Let's add 2 more pieces of hair coming out from the top of her head now. Draw 2 lines above on the top left. Then connect them with a bent line. Now add 1 more piece under like this. Let's draw the rest of her hair now. On the right, draw a curve above her cheek and then continue it under. To the left, draw a diagonal line. Then connect them with the curve at the bottom. Now on the left, draw a curve back up to the face. Move to the right side now and draw a curve down from the ear. And then a curve out to the left above it to close off this section of hair. Let's draw the body next. Start with the backpack strap. Draw a bent line down on the left. Then a wavy line for the other side. And now close it off at the bottom. Lastly, add another wavy line inside along the left side. Now move to the right and draw a long angled line down for the side of the body. Then near the top, draw a V shape between the backpack strap and the side of the body. And then add 1 more line inside along the right side. Let's draw the clock in her hand next. Draw an angled oval shape under her backpack strap. Then another oval inside this one. Now draw 2 lines between the oval and the strap above. Next, from the left side of the oval, draw a tiny line down. Then draw her thumb going out to the left like this. Now leave a gap and draw the next finger in the same way going out to the right. Then draw lines with a slight dip in the middle between the 2 fingers at the top and the bottom. Now draw 2 more fingers on the right like this. Lastly, finish off the clock by drawing the bottom with a line across here. And then color the area below it black. Let's finish off her shirt next on the right side. Draw an angled line from the side into the hand. And then one more line above it. Let's finish off the left side and arm now. Draw a line down from the top of the backpack strap. And then another angled line down to the thumb. Now to the left, draw a large V shape out for the left arm. Let's draw the right arm now holding the microphone. Draw a small curve between the right side and the face for the other backpack strap. Now from the top, draw a curve down to the right for the top of the arm. Then at the end, draw the thumb. And then 3 fingers below on an angle. Then finish off the hand with 3 bumps. Next, add an angled line from the body to the hand to finish off the arm. Let's draw the microphone now. Draw a curved rectangle at the top of the hand. And add another curve inside. Next, draw a large circle at the end. And add the detailed curved lines inside. Let's draw the backpack now. From the left backpack strap, draw a line out towards the hair. Then an angled line above it. And now a straight line down to the arm. Next, inside, add a diagonal line. Now from the bottom left, add 2 small lines out. And then 2 curves to connect each side. Then add 2 lines inside. Next, draw a 3D triangle shape below like this. Then add an oval inside. Next, we can finish off the back of her hair by drawing a line between the hair and the backpack here. Let's draw her skirt next. From the right side of her body, draw an angled line down. Then a short line down on the left. Now connect them with 2 curved lines down that meet at a point in the middle. Then add 4 lines inside for the pleats of her skirt. Let's draw her legs and feet next. On the left side, draw a diagonal line down here. And then a longer one to the right. Now a curve for the top of the foot. And a line across to close off the foot. And lastly, add 1 more line across the bottom for the sole of the shoe. Next, draw the right leg and foot in the same way, but shorter and pointing out to the right. And that's it for Liz. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.